In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your presentation notes in Zoom. If you've ever wanted to share your screen during a meeting, but don't want everyone seeing your private presenter notes, you're not alone. This is a common scenario for teachers, business professionals, and really anyone giving a presentation. Fortunately, with just a little preparation, you can present smoothly, keep your notes to yourself, and stay focused on your audience. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, you'll need to make sure you have your presentation, like a PowerPoint or Google Slides file, ready to go. Before joining your Zoom meeting, open up your presentation on your computer. It's a good habit to set your presentation to Presenter View if your software offers it. Presenter View lets you see your notes on your screen, while your audience only sees the slide you're currently presenting. When you're ready to join your Zoom meeting, go ahead and enter as usual. Once you're in, look at the bottom or the side of the Zoom window for the Share Screen button. It's usually highlighted in green. Click on this button to bring up the sharing options. Here, you'll see a list of all the windows you have open on your computer. Now this is the critical part. Instead of sharing your entire screen, which would show everything, including your notes, choose to share only the specific window displaying your presentation slides. This is often called the slideshow, or might just be the name of your presentation. Double check that you're selecting the correct window. You typically don't want to share the presenter view or your whole desktop when you have notes up. If you're using PowerPoint, sometimes you'll see both the slideshow window and the presenter view listed. Always choose the one that only shows the slide itself. With Google Slides, open your presentation in a browser tab. Click Present, and then within Zoom, share only that specific browser window or tab, not the whole screen. Once you've selected the right window, click Share. Now, participants on Zoom will only see your slides, while you still have access to your notes in Presenter View or another window, keeping your talking points private. A useful tip is to arrange your screens in advance if you have multiple monitors or an external display. Place Presenter View on one screen and the shared slides on another. Then simply select the correct window in Zoom. This makes transitions smoother and prevents any accidental sharing of information you want to keep private. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to present confidently on Zoom, knowing your notes stay hidden and you're looking professional to your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.